Today's video should appeal to several people, looking to find a home for cash, which at the moment isn't earning any interest, people looking for a good investment that pays a good dividend and a potential upside, and also a demonstration of how you can use the Freetrade platform to buy stocks. So we're on the Freetrade platform. The total amount I have in my account is 215. I just topped it up by £200. I'm going to buy some shares in a company called Old Republic International. These are traded on the New York Stock Exchange and their ticker code is ORI. And I go to search and put in Old Republic. Old Republic Insurance. And this is the Freetrade platform, and that tells you a little bit about it. The price of the stock over a year, over a month, 7 days, 1 day maximum. So that's just a representation in a graphical form of how the stock price has fared over certain periods of time. Also, if you scroll down, you'll get some statistics. The current price is 23.51, market capitalisation, the price to earning ratio, and the dividend yield. That's the most interesting thing from my point of view, 3.79%. This is the dividend yield, and it tells you a wee bit about Old Republic International Corporation, US market. This Fortune 500 company, so it's within the top 500 companies on the US stock exchange, offers property insurance and title and deeds. It is based in Chicago, Illinois. So this is the company Old Republic. As I said, I've done my research. The 52-week range and price is $17.94 to $26.69. At the moment, are sitting at $23.87. Dividend yield is 3.65%, and that's paid quarterly. This is an interesting statistic or fact. 25.3% is predicted upside in the price of the stock. 72.9% of the total value of stock traded is held by institutions. This gives an indication that the institutions have great faith in this company, and if they know something, we must follow their tracks. The price to earning ratio is 5.03. This is less expensive than the market average, which is 13.81, and also less than the finance sector average, which is 12.2. Price to book ratio is 1.18. Anything below 3 indicates reasonably valued with respect to assets and liabilities. It's a USA based insurance company, long established, and as I say, there's a high ownership by institutions, and it gives a good dividend yield and potential growth. So I've invested £200 in my Freetrade account, and I'm now going to make a purchase. I go to buy, number of shares, I'll put the value in. I've got £215.19 available. I'm going to buy £200 worth, and that will equate to just over 11 shares. Review order. This is an order because today is the 21st of December 2021. Time is 22:19, and the markets have closed. These are traded on the New York Stock Exchange, but I'm going to put an order in, and the order will be placed from 3 o'clock p.m. tomorrow. I believe the New York Stock Exchange opens at 2:30 UK time. So confirm buy, and I just sending order, Old Republic buy queued. Your order is scheduled to start processing tomorrow at 1500 hours, 3 p.m. UK time. Will update your app once it has been completed. You cannot cancel your order after this time. Basic order buy is queued £199.70. This equates to 11 shares, or just over 11 shares, at the latest price of 23.87. And this is the equivalent price a pound is equal to $1.31. So that's all done. So I'm going to tomorrow be a shareholder in Old Republic, looking for growth and good dividend payouts. This will be a long-term buy and hold. And as I say, you read all the financial pages. The last thing to do with cash is hold it at the moment. If you want them to grow or protect the value of your cash, it gets eroded by inflation, etc. So I'm looking for income, safe, secure company, Old Republic. I've given you a demonstration of how the Freetrade app works. This is a UK-based app where you can deal in shares no charge. And I've invested in Old Republic International. Hope you found this interesting. Until next time, I bid you a really successful investing adventure.